Hi there. Hello and welcome to another episode of Don't Wait, Automate, brought to you by All Control Enterprises. My name is Sidney King, one of the application engineers. Welcome to another episode. As usual, make it very short and brief. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about another latest and greatest awesome sensor from SICK, the MPS-G. So, what is the MPS-G? So glad you asked. It's the gripper / cylinder position and measurement sensor. It's got dynamic teach and analog measurement. When you're thinking of end-of-arm tooling applications out there, think of the MPS-G. With the small compact design, it's perfect for a solution for small pneumatic and gripper cylinder applications out there. So before we even get to it, here are a few application examples that come to mind. End-of-arm solutions require precise target detection and repeatable gripping. Cylinder positioning comes to mind. Grip force monitoring comes to mind with some of the applications. Part detection and grip position. Target verification. Gripper sensors to monitor gripper position come into mind as well. So here are some of the amazing features of the MPS-G sensor. The sensor head length is only 25 millimeters, mounted in C-slot, or you can also mount, we have a mounting adapter for T-slots as well. Alright, the total measuring range is 50 millimeter, basically a position feedback. You can get it in a M8 or M12 connector option. What's also nice is you have a status and power LED on it as well, and you can actually program up to 3 digital switching signals with the MPS-G. So it's important to note that the MPS-G in addition, it's not just an analog cylinder position sensor. The MPS-G also provides orientation information, analog position, vibration feedback, which helps you understand your equipment and helps your performance, as well as keep your processes moving smoothly throughout your machine's lifetime. Here are just 3 things I would like you to take away from this episode with the MPS-G sensor from SICK. 1 is the easy setup. 2, precise analog feedback. 3 is the predictive diagnostics. With the easy setup, what you're doing is you're just easily getting your dynamic teach and easy drop in, which you're monitoring for a C-slot cylinder or gripper, which is saving you time, money, as well as commissioning. With the precise analog feedback, you can monitor your tool's performance way ahead of time, and with the predictive diagnostics, you can get your analog position, speed, vibration, shock, all this reducing downtime. Thank you so much again for your time for another episode with Don't Wait, Automate. Glad you could join us today. Hope to see you soon again.